So in this VistaCreate tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to adjust letter spacing of text here in VistaCreate. So the first thing you have to do is open up the VistaCreate application. Once that is done, you either have to go to the top left here and press on text, or go to the left-hand side of your screen, press on text to obviously add some text into your design. So for this demonstration, I'll make the text a little bit larger, and I will just type in the words letter spacing, just like that. Perfect. Now, what I basically mean by letter spacing is that the amount of space in between letters here, you can adjust that to make it less or more. And in order to do that, go ahead and simply just press on the text right here, open up this top bar, press on this option that says spacing. Then under spacing, go down to the bottom where it says letter spacing. So by default, it is set to 0, but if you slide this bar to the right, you actually increase the spacing between letters. And if you slide this bar to the left, you actually decrease it. So super straightforward, super simple. This is how to adjust letter spacing here in VistaCreate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.